Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen where I'm gonna make a smoked salmon baguette with cream cheese. Here I got 2 packages of salmon fillet, 100 grams each. Don't know if I'm gonna use all of this. And here's the baguette. And there's the cream cheese and some freshly chopped red onion. For the cream cheese I'm gonna use some fresh dill, which I'm gonna chop up. For my cheese spread I'm gonna use this. I think all of it, yeah. Fresh dill. I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt in there. Some of nicely cracked black pepper. And parsley. I'm going to mix this into a nice creamy cheese spread. It looks delicious and it smells delicious already. I'm gonna slice this baguette in half. I'm gonna put on the cream cheese on both sides of the baguette, well, especially on the bottom. By the way, I'm using my Thai spoon, Thai/Asian spoon, because I think this is gonna work better. And then the star of the show, the smoked salmon. Because it's not easy to peel off the salmon, you get a irregular kind of like baguette. But anyway, it looks quite nice like this. I'm gonna get some more salmon, a little bit of that sliced red onion, well, maybe all of it actually. I'm using all of the salmon, 200 grams on this baguette. Now this must be the ultimate smoked salmon sandwich. That cream cheese, yeah, that's beautiful. Dill, parsley flavors. That salmon, briny flavor, fatty flavor. Salmon as a fish, I love it. It's so good, especially on a baguette with the cream cheese and with the red onions, all the herbs, parsley. everything. This is nice, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.